Hello guys, today we're gonna make mixed colors. We have many colors in front of me. We have a paintbrush and a cup full of water. Let's start. So now this one dip, one tiny dip, yeah, and just eat it. I'm just using my cool grabbing power. Oh, that looks like the ocean. Magically opened. More noodles and more noodly noodles. Noodles. See, those are noodles. Diddly noodles. They kind of look like rain from the top. Eat those noodles away. Oh. That's good. I like that. That kind of looks like some sort of slime liquid. So we're gonna mix brown with blue. We're gonna mix this blue, this right there, blue. And here we have the brown. This right there, brown. So now let's dip some brown. Open for free, okay? Mix. It's cool and disgusting. Yeah. Okay. One time dip. Said, there we go. Now let's dip it. You stir. Bring up. See, oh, it looks like green sand. Yay! Hooray! And my hands are brown. So it looks like some sort of grass juice. That's cool. Some noodles in there. Now let's mix. Look at those noodles just flying everywhere. Bye. Is this gonna turn into some sort of green? I'm curious. It looks like just normal green. So I'm gonna make all the colors in this. And there's some spicy red noodles. Dump the water! And slowly melt. Okay. Oh, I see the water. Oh, the water is slowly changing into some sort of pepper? Pepper water? Yeah, like I've seen a pepper where half of it is green and half of it is red. This is the same thing. What the heck? This looks like some sort of coffee. What is this? Are we making tea? Is that cappuccino? Does that look like cappuccino to you guys? We start on with the purple. So, what's that in this weird color? Let me see what it is. It's white. It's literally white. There's less water. But what is this white going to do? Is this white going to eat? It's slowly turning into purple milk. Is that like blood? That kind of looks like blood, I have to say. Or tomato juice. Now we're dipping in some yellow with the brush. Okay. Mix. Mix. Come on. Cappuccino. More. Mix. It's gonna make orange. I know it.